This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study modern history for the UPSC examination. Mastering this section is crucial for success and will cover a full guide to help you. We'll start by understanding the syllabus, then move into effective study techniques. Get ready to transform your preparation and approach this subject with confidence. This guide will provide a clear roadmap. To study effectively, begin by creating a detailed chronological timeline. This helps visualize the flow of events and their interconnections. Next, dedicate time to answer writing practice. This is vital for the mains examination, allowing you to articulate your knowledge clearly and concisely. Finally, always refer to standard textbooks and reliable notes for accurate information. When studying, prioritize the Indian national movement, as it forms a significant portion of the syllabus. Instead of rote memorization, strive to understand the underlying causes and consequences of events. This deeper comprehension will serve you better in analytical questions. Also, establish a consistent revision schedule to ensure long-term retention of all the crucial information. Consistent practice with previous year's question papers is indispensable for gauging your preparation and identifying weak areas. Consider joining a study group. Discussing topics with peers can offer new insights and clarify doubts. Remember to check the description for a link to these fantastic leak-proof containers, along with other great deals to help you stay organized. Keep practicing and stay motivated.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.